History is in the making. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson closer to becoming the first African-American woman to sit on the U.S. Supreme Court. And as we have seen in the past couple of weeks, how President Biden's nominee has drawn both criticism and praise. Tonight, the powerful Senate Judiciary Committee had a tie vote on whether or not to move forward. Our Washington, D.C. correspondent Rachel Knapp is joining us live from the Capitol. Rachel, what can we expect as the process goes on?
Well, Eva, with this tie, we can essentially expect the Senate to decide whether or not to discharge this nomination out of committee and onto the full Senate floor. But before this vote came around, senators made it very clear what they think about this nominee.
She has impeccable qualifications. We don't agree on much in the Senate, but not one senator on this committee has questioned that she is well qualified.
Having carefully studied her record, unfortunately, I think she and I have fundamental different views on the role of judges and the role that they should play in our system of government. Because of those disagreements, I can't support her nomination.
While senators on both sides of the aisle say that Judge Jackson is knowledgeable of the law, they stuck to their party lines when they discussed whether they'll vote for her. And when it finally came down to a vote in this committee, it was deadlocked, 11-11 vote. So now we can expect the full Senate to vote tonight on moving this nomination out of the Judiciary Committee and put it on the floor. Now we know that this will be a close call on the Senate floor because the Senate is split 50-50 and the Dems want to secure this nomination.
There have been 115 men and women who have served on the Supreme Court. If Judge Jackson is confirmed, I believe she will prove to be the most extreme and the furthest left justice ever to serve on the United States Supreme Court.
She is precisely the type of nominee that senators on both sides of this aisle should want on the Supreme Court. First, she applies a clear and fair method in deciding her cases, has demonstrated a remarkable judicial temperament. She faithfully applies the law in each case.
If her nomination moves forward and is confirmed, she'll be the first black woman on the Supreme Court. Now, of course, we'll keep our eyes and ears on the Senate on how this nomination proceeds. Back to you.
In the right spot, of course, for any updates on this case. And she's back in D.C. after returning from Warsaw, Poland, filing reports for Erie News Now on the impact of the war over the border in Ukraine.